Today I'm going to show you how to change a newborn baby into a one-size diaper. Currently, this little girl is wearing a newborn diaper by Lalabye Baby, and she weighs 10 pounds 4 ounces and is 2.5 months old. We're going to start by removing the newborn diaper. We're going to secure the newborn diaper tabs to the laundry tabs, and I'm going to use a wipe for her privacy. And remove the newborn diaper. And I'm going to slide the one-size diaper underneath her. The one-size diaper has been sized down to the smallest rise setting. Our one-size diapers fit from about 8 to 35 pounds. So I'm going to slide the diaper underneath her. The back of the diaper should come no higher than the top of the baby's butt crack. It doesn't have to be up on their back. And then I'm going to pull the center of the diaper up and between her legs. I'll remove the wipe here. You're going to squeeze the front middle of the diaper together, and you're going to tuck it along the creases of their bikini line. So the elastic is going to sit right there in the underwear line or the bikini line. Now we're going to smooth the top of the belly band around the baby and pull up on the wing. We're going to secure the hip snap first. Her hip snap is on yellow, and the wing snaps are on blue. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to smooth the belly band across her body and bring up the wing. Snap the wing snap on yellow, and the hip snap on yellow and the wing snaps on blue. Once the diaper's on, we're going to do a little bit of tucking. You always want any extra fabric that's in between the rise snaps to be tucked upward, not down. And we're going to do any additional tucking along the side as well to tuck up any excess fabric underneath the wings. As you can see along the side, she's got no gaps on the inside of her legs, and not at her back. There's a little bit of a gap between the belly and the front. She has 2 small inserts, or 2 of our boosters of the bamboo inserts in the diaper, and because of her size. But there is this belly band here that's keeping all of those inserts against her body, and it will prevent any wicking up onto her belly. So there's not enough of a gap. There's going to be any leaking up at the top. And if she still had her umbilical cord, it would allow adequate airflow to keep this area nice and dry until her cord falls off. So that is a one-size Lalabye Baby diaper on a newborn. For more information, go to lalabyebaby.blog and visit us on our website, lalabyebaby.com.